Hello, welcome to St. James Music Press. My name is Amy Simons, and today I will be walking you through our advanced feature. One way that we can help you sort through our nearly 2,000 pieces in the catalog more quickly is with one of our new filtered feature options. You will find this on the left-hand side of the screen called Advanced Search. Once on Advanced Search, you will see broad categories from which you can more acutely refine what you're looking for: accompanying instruments, seasons and special days, categories such as children's music and evening services, voicings for choir and instrumentation, and level of difficulty. So let's say, for instance, we're coming up on Palm Sunday. You want to find some music specific to that. You check the box next to Palm Sunday. And let's pretend that you have in your pocket some excellent trumpet players who are available to you, and you want to dress this service up a touch. You may choose trumpets for an accompanying instrument. Once you have done that, scroll to the bottom of the filter options, and you will see that we do have a piece in our catalog for choir, SATB, with trumpets. That's perfect for Palm Sunday. You can preview that by clicking the green magnifying glass icon. See if it's a good fit for your worship service. You can listen to an MP3 recording of it, download the PDF, and distribute it as you need to. Perhaps a more practical option, as we are amid COVID-19, would be to search for some music for when our worship communities are back together in person. We may want to, at this point, choose music for the Easter season. And perhaps we no longer have our trumpet players, so we'll uncheck them. But since this may be the first time our choirs are coming together in a while, we're going to restrict this search to two-part anthems and an easy level of difficulty. All right, let's see what becomes of us. Excellent. You can see we have many Easter season appropriate two-part easy anthems to choose from. Some with children's choir, some without, some that are unison, perhaps just a small moment of harmonization. But this should get you started and out of the gate for when our choirs come back together. Again, you can click on that preview button, decide if it's a good fit for your people, listen to a recording, download PDF, find lyrics and more in case you want to print those in your service bulletins. There we go. Hopefully, this is one more way that St. James Music Press can make finding the right score for your worship service as quick and painless as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Good luck searching. Thank you from St. James Music Press.